much because we know everybody's time is valuable, and this is kind of a rough time of the year. We often look at going in a million different directions. So thank you for coming. We appreciate it. We've made a website, so we just kind of asked on the agenda if you'll go ahead and log on to the website. And if you go to where it says home and scroll down, because although we think this is fantastic information we're going to share, it's also for our graduate degrees. So we have to do a pre-test, and then we have to do a post-test. So, and then of course we have to gather that data and share it. So as teachers, think about what you're looking for in a pre-test and a post-test and how important that growth is. Hint, hint, wink, wink. But you just...
So all zeros are stars.
Yeah, like you know, nothing now.
1 star.
So, the smart, and it's literally only like 6 questions. It's not that many. So if you'll just real quickly take a couple of seconds to take the pre-test for us, and then we will get started. It's just smartweebly.com, and it's on the home page. Smartplweebly.com. Sorry.
That's hilarious because I don't know that.
Hopefully we'll be in.
Okay, everybody done? Awesome. Okay, so thank you for taking that. Does anybody else need any time? Oh, what? Okay.
While they're finishing, I hope you had a chance to sign in, get a snack from the table, and then put your name on a little piece of paper because they do have that drawing. We will have that drawing at the end.
For instructional money.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing that we're going to talk to you about is the resources tab. And I'm gonna go over there. Seems like I have a pen. So go ahead and click on that. And so what we have done is we've created some handouts for you because we heard that, and we know when we go to professional learning, that sometimes it's so fast and it's so overwhelming, we want to be able to walk away with something. So you're going to walk away today with the different handouts that you can refer to, as well as the website. So this is here for you for as long as you want it, and then the handouts you get to take with you. So we have to have some of these handouts as part of our grade, so we're not giving you the promotional flyer. You've gotten the agenda, but this is a user's guide. It's like 200 pages if you want it, and then these are shorter. And so those are the handouts that you will be given, but we're not giving you the 200-page thing. Sorry, we're going there.
It's a good resource.
And then it is. And then you on the resource page are a bunch of links for you that are separate from Smart Exchange that you can go to pull up a interactive whiteboard activity like right away and just project it on your screen and do something. So all you really have to do is just click on that. It's going to ask you if you want to open it. And so you open that. And then they're all Word documents, I'm pretty sure, right? And there you go. So you can open that from the website. And I believe this is also connected to the tips sheet that is being handed out.
There is a couple.
Alright, I think that's on the resource page, right? Yeah. Okay.
And then we were gonna, because I know we sent out that needs assessment, and so we had a couple of questions about the new boards that we were getting. And of course, we don't have time to go over the new boards, we don't know enough about the new boards to be honest yet, we're still learning, and the smart technologies. But we did put on the website, if you look underneath the more, the simplicity board, if you look at that, there is an introductory video. So if you want to go in your own time, you know, and just kind of before they get here, because I think it's like December 3rd or something, they're supposed to be coming. But this video is the first 3 minutes is how to plug it in and all that stuff, which hopefully they'll do for us. But then the last 6 minutes goes over just kind of the basics. And then it goes into, because you know how YouTube will go into the next, it goes into another video that kind of gives you some more information on it. So we just put that on there because we, you know, people have shown an interest in it. There's also the links to the Cobb County page that, you know, that you can go on
Tons of information.
look for more information as well. But I mean, it looks like they're going to be really interesting. I mean, this is one of them. So,
Wow.
you know, we've been playing with it and we like it. And the thing that's really cool is the USB ports. So, you know, from what we understand, we'll be able to create lessons, you know, that our subs can use, and they can just stick the USB in there instead of having to open up,
Yeah.
you know, our
I
personal.
don't think ours is this size. I heard that it was a different size, but I can't.
It is
Yeah.
a little bit different
Yeah.
size, but I think it's actually bigger.
Yes.
Oh, that'll be good. And the really cool thing is, because both we were on here
Yeah.
playing, so both of us, you know, you can have kids up here doing multiple things at the same time. So that was neat.
I like that.
And then
Yeah.
you can also just toggle back and forth. So like that was our laptop, but then you can completely disconnect it. It can still be online, and you have, you know, its own applications, and so it's its own standalone thing.
It is
So,
super cool.
we
You
are-
guys are gonna love it.
Yeah, we are super excited about it, but oops.
Joy is gonna do your official training, so.
She's the real expert. We're still trying to figure
We're
it
just
out.
trying.
But we wanted to put it on there because, like I said, the needs assessment, there were a few questions, so that was kind of neat.
Okay, so, with our smart notebook, who uses the smart notebook software regularly in their classroom? Okay, other than just projecting something? Okay, so what you're getting today is a basic rundown of, this is the new version that we have. It was pushed into all of our laptops, so it's in 17.1. So you have a few different functionalities than you had before, and there's a tips sheet that I made that goes with this. But also on here, you have a video again, because some people like to watch videos on how to, so that's a good introductory video. And then also more different things that you can open and explore.
There's a video.
That's okay, she's ready to watch it.
Well, and there's a video tutorial too, so if you're like me and you have to go back and get a step-by-step, it's nice and slow.
So what I'm going to do is just go through some basics with you, okay? And I don't want to be redundant, but I just want to kind of go through some of these icons at the top of the toolbar. And the handout sheet that that was created, I have screenshots of each one of these little buttons, so you won't be like, what was that for again? How do I get there? So basically, the forward and backward button, you are moving forward into the lesson to another screen or backward. And since I only have one page in my notebook, it's not going to move yet. I don't know why I'm touching it with that pen when I'm here. But anyway. And then you have, this is like the main things, but you can change your toolbar and you can add things, but this is what is most useful and what people use the most. And so one of the things that I like doing, especially in math, is using my slate. And so I can walk around and I can give it to the kids and they can do their math on the smart board and we can all see it and they love it. And so, in fact, we were doing that with our multiplication. So this, you all have this slate and the Simplicity slate, and it goes with the board because the board is a Simplicity touch board. Our camera is our camera? I don't know. It's a Cortex, so I don't know. So anyway, let me just show you. What you would do is you would select your pen, and you can change your pen color. And you just write on the board. And it takes a lot of practice. Ta-da! to clear it, you just go up to, edit, and you can clear ink. Another really cool function of this that I was learning about is that you can take any document that you have saved in your laptop and you can open it into the Smart Notebook. Did you guys know that? So, for instance, you want me to show you how to do
Yes.
that? Okay. I'm having a hard, I'll forget this. So, okay. Say, that's already a Smart. Said I was gonna turn off my phone. Okay. So say I have this, it's a PDF file. So I'm going to open it as a PDF, but I want to be able to write on it, don't I? So what I have to do is I have to come up here to my file, and this is on the tip sheet that I'm giving you, and you select print. So when you select print, you'll get a dialog box that comes up just like normal, as if you were ready to print. And so instead of choosing that printer, you scroll down until you see what it says Smart Notebook Document Writer.
That's why I always try something.
So once you've selected that, you then come down here and select print, and then
It sends it
print to Smart Notebook. So you choose that first one, takes it, opens it into a new notebook, and voila, there it is. So now you can take your pen and you can write all over it.
It's a little off center, is that? Oh, no, that thing was
And look, it scrolls so that you don't have to move it. Isn't that
Yeah,
nice?
because on the other one, it would like move, the screen would like move.
Oh, absolutely.
Remember?
So,
Yeah.
I mean, to me, I think that is gonna be so beneficial because you want those kids coming to the board. And you know, we all have PDFs and things that we've saved before. And instead of making a bazillion copies or putting it under the camera, which is so boring, and you're sitting at your desk and you're like, okay, this way the kids can get up and do it. And it's so much more engaging for them. So I totally love that feature. I'm a little excited. Can you tell?
And I brought this up,
So we're in our
it's
weekly.
just out of curiosity, it's horizontal, how do you rotate it?
What?
I just brought a document up and it's this way. So is there a place where you rotate it? I brought it up that way.
All right, I'm sure. Okay. And just for the sake of saving time, I'm not going to talk about that. I have it on the tip sheet.
Okay, so the other thing we're gonna talk about that is in Smart Notebook, is the Smart Exchange. And again, everything that we talk about, we tried to make a little tab for, you know, we gave an explanation of what it is, and then there's the video tutorial for, you know, those who wanna go back and look at it. But again, if you go back to the notebook program, which
I think I closed it. I apologize.
that's okay. All right, so if you look up here, what's on the other side? On the notebook program, you hit gallery, and when you go to gallery, the Smart Exchange is a place where there's literally thousands and thousands of different lesson plans and activities and games and things that have already been made. So you're gonna go here, you're gonna see, if you look, you can see where it says Smart Exchange. I'm just gonna get
How did you get there? I'm sorry.
It's on this.
In notebook.
Well, this
So
is Smart
open your
Notebook.
open your Smart Notebook.
Oh,